Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a payment method on Steam mobile app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Steam mobile app on your phone, and from this wishlist section you're going to tap on this option of wallet on top right corner. And then once you're here in the wallet section, you're going to find this your Steam account, right? Tap on see my account details. Tap on this option of add a payment method to this account. And then right over here, you're going to choose the payment method that you would like to add. If it's a Visa card, tap on this card number, add in your card number, expiration date, your billing information, and tap on this continue for the further. Now payment methods it shows right at the bottom as well. These are the allowed options. Once you're done, your payment method will be added and you're good to go. And that is how simple it is. You can simply redeem as well and gift cards as well for you to purchase on Steam, and that is it. So that's basically how you do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.